Hello everyone, it's me, Jaylene, aFEMMEFORTH. I'm back. This is a really niche topic that I wanted to talk about, and I feel like it's also really important though it hasn't been discussed. I am here to talk to you today about gender codes. And you're probably thinking like what even those are, but we all know these certain codes that we do hear a lot in our pop culture and mainstream areas of movies, TV shows, whatnot. The bro code and the girl code. I've had a couple friends in my lifetime talk about, breaking the bro code or breaking the girl code, and I realized it really confuses me. And also, I don't think we should have them in existence. Number one reason why it should not actually be a thing in the first place is because it's so subjective. I remember when one of my friends talked about what they thought was breaking the girl code. It was one of their friends that did it. And when she was explaining the events to me, I just did not see it as being something that was breaking what my code would be. And it's with this, it's almost like you were crossing a boundary at some point and you haven't even discussed this boundary beforehand. So basically you're putting responsibility and blame upon this person when you have not even talked to them in the first place about if that was okay with you or not. The second reason is that it divides genders. Gender is so fluid. Like I always say before, it's on a spectrum. It goes from identified to female identified. Plus there's those people who identify not even on the spectrum as well, such as queer folk. With the female identified and the male identified, it almost not only does it exclude all the other genders that are available in this world and are existing, but it also kind of divides these genders as almost we don't share any common values. And the reason I say that it separates the genders is because it almost makes it seem that the femmes have to be together and bonded together, and the male identified have to be bonded together as well. But we can't have these similar codes for each other. An example why I say this is we always have that idea of if you know that someone is cheating on your friend, especially if it's your girl, for me, then you need to go tell your girl. But what if my best friend is the boy? Does that make me break girl code? Or does that just make me adhere to a certain other code that I think of, as my values of what I have for my friends, no matter what gender they are? The things that do exist though in this fabulous world are what I like to call social codes. And these are all the sort of common societal values that we all kind of share and we're taught in our school systems, such like that, such as one thing as being honest. Loyalty is another really highly valued one. And if you think about it, all those sort of things, honesty, loyalty, they all kind of adhere to what the girl code and the bro code kind of stand for. They're just really codes for human connection. We don't need the bro code, we don't need the girl codes. We just need the human codes. Basically, all I'm asking is if you think that your bro code or your girl code is kind of almost exclusionary, maybe you can just dial it down a bit and see, well, what can you do as a more baseline for as just people? How do you want to treat each other? I'm going to be leaving you with that thought. I hope you had a really great day, and I really want you to subscribe and share if you really like this video. There's going to be lots more to come. And also follow me on IG and Facebook. It's Jaylene, aFEMMEFORTH baby. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Mwah.